For the next tool, the first thing we should be doing is to put our Kali virtual machine uh, in a place inside the network where it can see the rest of the devices that are connected to the network. By default, VirtualBox, as we saw for our previous tool, uh, is isolating uh, each virtual machine inside networks inside of the whole virtual infrastructure. However, when we want to do a network mapping, we will need that this machine is not in that secluded network, but in the same network where all the other devices on organization are connected to. So the way we can do this in VirtualBox is making sure that in the settings of the virtual machine, we loop for the network section and make sure that in the adapter that we are using, the network adapter, is attached to, and make sure it says bridged adapter. Okay, not NAT network, not NAT, or any of the other options. It should be bridged adapter. Basically, this will use the actual network adapter of our computer, our physical computer, and it will attach another device to another computer to this network adapter. In this case, our virtual machine or machines. In case you have different network adapters in your physical computer, and here you can choose the one you are actually using to connect to your home network, or you're using to connect to the organization's network when you are in person in their offices. That could be the way to go. In this case, is this one, and in case we are doing running this tool against a remote server, then it's not necessary to put this adapter into as a bridged adapter. With the NAT option, we'll be fine. However, given that this exercise is focusing mostly on mapping the network in an organization, this will be the configuration we will need to use. Then we click OK. In this case, the machine is running, and it's not necessary to shut it down or restart it. It will automatically change the configuration and work as expected in bridged mode. Once we do this, then we can move to understanding a couple of concepts before starting to use the Nmap tool. That is the one that we are covering in this training.